If you use Todoist every day, one of the easiest ways to work faster is by customizing your dashboard so the app opens exactly where you need it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Todoist dashboard, change your home view, and clean up your sidebar so your most important tasks are always front and center. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple productivity guides. Let's jump in. By default, Todoist opens to your Today screen, which is great for a quick snapshot of what's due, but it may not always be the best starting point for your workflow. If you want Todoist to launch directly into a project you use all the time or into a custom filter dashboard that matches your routine, you can change that in just a few clicks. First, open Todoist and look to the top left corner of the screen. Click your profile avatar there. This opens your account and app settings. From the menu, select Settings. Once the Settings panel opens, go to the General tab. In this section, you'll find the Home View dropdown. This setting controls what Todoist shows first when you open the app. Click the dropdown and you'll see several options. You can keep it on Today if you want the default setup, but you can also switch it to a specific project, a custom filter, or even a specific label. This is especially useful if you always start your day in one workspace, such as work tasks, errands, content planning, or a weekly priority filter. Choosing the right home view can save you time every single day because Todoist will immediately take you to the view that matters most. For example, if you manage multiple areas of life inside Todoist, you might set your home view to a custom filter that shows only high priority tasks. Or if you prefer to focus on one project at a time, you can make that project your landing page. The goal is to make Todoist feel more personalized and less cluttered, so you can start working faster the moment you open it. Now, let's move to the sidebar, because that's another area where a few small changes can make a big difference. A cluttered sidebar can slow you down, especially if you have lots of projects, labels, and filters. The good news is, you can tailor the sidebar so it only shows the things you actually use. Start by looking at the core views in the sidebar, such as upcoming, filters and labels, and favorites. If there are sections you don't check often, you can pin or unpin them or collapse them to keep the sidebar tidy. Hover over the item you want to adjust, then click the chevron or options icon to hide or collapse it. This helps reduce visual noise and keeps your workspace clean. Next, if there are certain projects, filters, or labels that you check multiple times a day, right-click them and choose Add to Favorites. This is one of the best ways to customize your Todoist dashboard because favorites appear at the top of your sidebar for instant access. Instead of digging through long lists every time, you can keep your most used items just one click away. A great strategy is to favorite only the items you truly rely on daily. That might be your work project, your personal tasks filter, your urgent label, or a weekly review list. By keeping favorites focused, you create a dashboard that supports your workflow instead of overwhelming it. As you customize Todoist, think about how you actually use the app. If you start your day by checking one project, make that your home view. If you use a specific filter to plan your day, use that instead. And if you keep returning to a handful of projects and labels, pin them or add them to favorites so they stay visible and easy to reach. These small changes turn Todoist into a more efficient command center for your tasks. To recap, you can customize your Todoist dashboard by changing your home view and settings, then cleaning up your sidebar with pinning, collapsing, and favorites. These steps help you launch into the right view, reduce clutter, and move through your tasks faster. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more Todoist tips, productivity tutorials, and simple tutorials and simple app walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.